ready to supercharge your outreach and turn prospects into clients. Let's dive into sending effective campaigns with Batchleads. First, navigate to the Campaigns section in your Batchleads dashboard. This is where all your magic happens. We'll be focusing on creating new campaigns today. Click on Create New Campaign. To begin, you'll see options for different campaign types for this tutorial. We'll prioritize email and SMS campaigns, which are powerful tools for engaging your leads. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so you can easily identify it later then. Select the campaign type A circumflex euros, email or SMS for email campaigns. You'll also need to craft a compelling subject line that grabs attention. Now, let's design your message. Batchleads offers intuitive editors for both emails and text messages. Remember to personalize your messages using merge tags like first name or company name to make each communication feel individual and relevant. Before sending, segmentation is key. You can select specific lead lists or apply filters to target the most relevant prospects for this particular campaign. This ensures your message lands in the right hands. Once your message is ready and your audience is segmented, you have the option to send it immediately or schedule it for a later time. Choose the option that best suits your outreach strategy. After sending, don't forget to monitor your campaign performance. Batchleads provides detailed analytics on open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Use this data to understand what's working and optimize your future campaigns for even greater success.